In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove zeros in front of numbers in Excel. If you have a list of numbers in Excel and some of them begin with extra zeros, there is a quick built-in way to fix that. This usually happens when Excel stores the values as text instead of treating them as regular numbers. When that happens, the leading zeros stay visible, even if you do not want them there. The good news is that Excel can often detect this for you and give you a simple correction option right inside the worksheet. To begin, highlight the cells that contain the numbers with leading zeros. Make sure you select the exact range you want to clean up. This is important because Excel will apply the change to the cells you have selected. If you are working with a larger column, take a moment to confirm that all of the affected cells are included before moving on. Once the cells are highlighted, look for a small yellow diamond warning icon that appears next to the selection. This icon is Excel's way of letting you know that something about the data may need attention. In this case, it is usually warning you that the numbers are stored as text. That is why the zeros are still showing at the front. When you see that warning icon, click the drop-down arrow attached to it. This opens a short menu with correction options for the selected cells. From that menu, choose Convert to Number. As soon as you click it, Excel will change those text values into numeric values. When that happens, the leading zeros at the beginning will be removed automatically. This method is fast and works well when Excel shows that warning symbol. It is especially useful for cleaning imported data or lists that were copied from another system. Just keep in mind that converting to a number will remove zeros only at the beginning of the value. It will not affect the rest of the number itself. After the conversion, it is a good idea to quickly scan the updated cells and make sure the values now look the way you want. If everything looks correct, then you are done. That covers everything you need to know.